Hey guys, Joe here from Clean Getaway Car Detailing. Well, this is our first vlog for 2021. Thank you so much for tuning in, and we're kicking off the year with our first vlog detailing this pretty epic VK Commodore. It's been fully restored. It's got a really nice 6-litre V8 underneath. It's been fully resprayed. The interior's been done. It looks like one of Brocky's Commodores back in the 80s. It's really, really gnarly. So I'm super excited that this is the first car that we're working on for 2021, and it's going to be coming to the workshop. We're doing a 2-stage paint correction and putting on the Atri Pro Nano Graphene coating. All right, and we're also going to be tidying up the interior. It's got a lot of dust build up on the inside, just in the aircon vents and a few areas. So I just can't wait to get onto it and to show you how awesome this car is. So let's check it out. Great, so we've got the VK in the wash bay. So as always, before we do any paint correction and coating, we make sure that we thoroughly wash the car. So we're gonna start with a really nice thick snow foam. We're gonna agitate all the little nooks and crevices, clean them out, hand wash it with the wash mitt, and then decontaminate with the clay towel, and then it should be ready to go into the detailing bay to be machine polished. So just in the process of detailing the interior of the Commodore here, and there's a lot of dust built up in the aircon vents and just around the nooks and crevices. So to be really safe on the delicate vinyls and plastics, and we're using the Bowden Zone Leather Love. It's really safe to use. It's such a good cleaner. We know it's not gonna leave any run marks or anything. And then we're using these little brushes as well. This is one of the Bowden Zone. It's the Pouncer, okay? So it really does a good job. These are really good quality brushes. And then we use these little nail brushes as well. They're quite soft on the surfaces, so we know it's not going to scratch it or wear at the surface. So that's what we're doing. All right guys, so we are now ready to move on to the paint correction stage. So we've done the interior, it's coming up really nice. And now it's really to focus on the paintwork. So this car here, the owner has really brought it in because there's a lot of sanding marks from when the spray painters did the denibbing on it. So what they've done is they've tried to sand down where there has been dirt in the clear coat or just specks in the clear coat. So there's a lot of little like dots all through the coat. That's what we're doing today. We're really trying to give it a really good correction to remove those sanding marks, really so that it just brings out the depth and the gloss in the paintwork, so that when we put on the graphene coating, it's just looking amazing. So first of all, we're just going to use the paint depth gauge just to see how much clear coat is on this car, just so we know like where to draw the line when we're correcting it and how far we can go. So let's just check this panel out to start with. So most of the car is measuring around 250 to 300, even more microns on the metal surface. So that's plenty of paint. Paint for us to work with. So that's really comforting. So what we're going to be doing is we're going to be using quite a pretty aggressive foam pad. It's a cross-cut foam pad made by Scholl in Germany, and we're also going to be combining it with one of our abrasive compounds, Precision. So we're going to use this to start machine polishing, complete the first stage, and that should be enough to get out the sanding mark. So let's see how it all goes. Cool, so we've done the first stage of paint correction. It's really brought out the metallic flake, really removing those defects and just making it look awesome. So we're gonna move on to the second stage. We're gonna be using the Optimum Hyper Polish. It's a water-based compound. We're just gonna be doing the second stage with this. This is really gonna refine it down, get rid of any of that hazing and marring, and just make it come up really nicely, so then we can start the coating process. All right, so what we're doing here, we just want to spray and get out all that polish dust that we've pretty much created during the paint correction stage. We're going to clean it all out so that it's all gone, and when we take it in the coating bay, there's no polish dust to be mucking around with. So we're just going to do all the door jambs around the windows and underneath the bonnet as well. So we're using these auto fiber saver applicators. These are brand new, they're extremely delicate and soft, perfect for coating the surface of the paintwork. And then we're also using these really nice brand new microfiber towels straight out of the bag. They're already cleaned in the USA. These are the auto fiber utility towels. So we'll be using these to level out the coating. And these are really nice and delicate on the paintwork as well. So nothing but the best here for our customers.
No, it's awesome. The credit to you, You've done such an awesome job. You always do, Yeah, it's bloody, no, it's awesome.
All right guys, that is a wrap. We've finally done this VK Commodore. Clients picking it up, and it's going to be heading it out later on. So if you really enjoyed this video, please, if you're watching us on YouTube, please subscribe to our channel, give us a like, comment, and let us know that you are watching our videos and what you think of them. We love your feedback. So this is our first vlog for this year, for 2021, and we got plenty more to come, and so excited to have you on the journey. So thank you, tell us what you think. Catch you later.